In my opinion, the absolute best time to travel is when you're young. That's why I was so excited when United challenged me to share my meaningful motivation to travel. They recently launched a promotion that gives 18 to 22-year-olds 10% off all domestic flights. All you have to do is sign up for their MileagePlus program and download the app. To learn more, visit the link in the description. Without further ado, this is why I travel. Take a second and try to remember back when you were a kid. Think back to your 6-year-old self. Back then, every single day was new, every single day was exciting. There was this big, exciting, mysterious world waiting for you right outside your front door. You'd question everything, you were curious about everything, and you had a million questions about the world. There was this certain magic that you couldn't quite touch and couldn't quite explain. As we grow older, we get used to the things we're seeing. We stop asking questions. We stop being curious. We become numb to the things that once captivated us and completely forget to appreciate the beauty in the world around us. But as soon as I step foot in a new city or new country, everything changes. Every single day you see something new, something unexpected, something unplanned. There's a million different question marks around a million different corners. And before I know it, those very same feelings I had when I was a kid come flooding right back. You see, before I started traveling, I thought those feelings were long gone. But they're far from gone. They're just one plane ticket away. Hey, and real quick, just to clarify with you guys, United MileagePlus is offering a 10% discount on domestic flights for 18 to 22-year-olds. You just need to download the most upgraded version of the app, create a free MileagePlus account, and then you can access the promotion. Each person needs to book their own flight for the promotion to work, and it's only valid until December 31st of 2019, so book your ticket now. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next one.